today's video, I will be revealing my true ethnicity. Can I even call myself Jamaican? Like, I'm just thinking, am I really Jamaican? Like, can I say I am Jamaican? I'm Julsztymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. So if you're new here, please do hit that subscription button so you never miss a video, and turn on your bell notification bell to always, because trust me, you don't want to miss the fun over here. Returning Julsz, what's up? Thank you for returning. In today's video, I will be revealing my true ethnicity. Can I even call myself Jamaican? Like, I'm just thinking, am I really Jamaican? Like, can I say I am Jamaican? Woo! About 2 years ago, I believe. Yeah, around 2 years ago, I did the AncestryDNA test. So I paid for it. It wasn't sponsored or anything like that, but I think AncestryDNA should sponsor me, because, you know, I've been hooking people up. I've been telling people to get this done. But yeah, so I ordered it. I think when I paid for it, it was on discount, so it was around either 50 something pounds or 60 something pounds. It comes with a package. You gotta give them a saliva swab and then you send it off, right? Results takes around 5 to 6 weeks, so it is a bit of a lengthy wait. AncestryDNA, sort that out. Sort it out, okay? But yeah, it came back and I was so excited, and I opened it and I saw my results and I was like, oh, wow. But when I got it, I wasn't really on YouTube like that, so that's why I've never really revealed it when it did come out, if that makes sense. So we have the results here on my phone. I'll put it on my screen so you guys can see. Woo! Who's ready? I'm gonna give you 10 seconds so you can drop down in the comment section the countries you think I'm from. Like, I want to see you guys' view, so I'm gonna give you 10 seconds, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, timer's up, guys. Timer's up. If you haven't guessed already, you might as well just wait for the results, alright? So let's go. I am okay, so I am 54% Nigerian, okay, 17% Benin and Togo. If you don't know what that is, that's between Nigeria and Ghana. I am 13% Ivory Coast and Ghana, okay. I am 9% Cameroon, Congo and Western Bantu people. I am 2% Scottish. I am 2% Spanish. See, this is why I've been drawn to learn Spanish. I knew there was some kind of connection there, you know. Como estás? Muy bien. Te amo. I need to learn Spanish. I just need to learn Spanish. I'm 1% French. Bonjour. Comment ta bien? Is it cum or je? No, je m'appelle ta bien. Okay. Au revoir. I'm 1% English and Northern Western Europe, and I am 1% Germanic Europe. I kind of had a feeling about, like, the Germanic Europe part is correct, because my family's name is Mary, so that is, I believe that's a German surname actually. And the Ghana part, I wasn't surprised, because my uncle, or my great uncle should I say, did some research and he figured that, you know, the research that he did came back to say that our people are from Ghana. So, you know, I'm not really surprised at the results. I kind of figured it would be something along this line. I did think I'd be more Ghanaian though than Nigerian. Mum don't I want to persuade my mum to do one, although she doesn't want to do an AncestryDNA test. Do you?
Because I'm half Syrian and half Indian.
Because she kind of feels, listen to these people, my mom feels like she's Syrian and Indian. If she was Syrian and Indian, then that would obviously portray in my ancestry DNA. So you're not. You're
yours from your dad, that's why.
Oh, don't be silly, woman. What? Don't be silly. Come on now. But yeah, that's my results, guys. If you've taken part in the ancestry DNA test and you have a video on YouTube, please do drop the link below. I would love to watch a few of them. I mean, I'm Jamaican, but my roots, my roots are in the motherland. So I'm Nigerian, I'm Ghanaian, I'm Bantu people, I am Congolese. I mean, damn, whoa, I got a lot of mixture up in me, you know what I mean? Like, wow, I am from everywhere. Think about it. I'm from Africa, I'm from Western Europe, I'm from Germanic Europe, I am English, I am Scottish. I am a pot of everything. But, you know me, my grandmother from my daddy's side, her last name is Scott, right? And her eyes are blue. Blue, the whole family. Blue eyes, blue eyes. I used to have blue eyes when I was younger, but as I've grown, it's kind of faded. But that is because I've also got brittle bones. I'll do a whole nother video. Yeah, I'll do a whole nother video about the whole brittle bones thing. And, mommy, stop, girl. And the brittle bones disease, that's what they call it, brittle bones disease, is called osteogenesis imperfecta. It derives from white people, or let me not say white, Caucasian people. I don't want to seem like I'm racist or whatever the case is. So from a long time, I've kind of known that I would have had to have some kind of white in me, because black people do not have, it's not a trait of black people at all. So I kind of knew my results would be along the lines of this. And yeah, your girl is a big pot of everything, so I can relate with everyone. Everyone's welcome here, okay? The African Julsz, the Jamaican Julsz, the British Julsz, everybody. The Julsz is from everywhere, so I accept everyone. Everyone, come into the group, come into the family. Come on, let's all give each other a big fat family hug. Whether you're African, English, Scottish, Germanic, American, Assyrian, Indian, Chinese, y'all are welcome. All of y'all welcome. You're welcome to the family. But yeah, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a massive thumbs up. Please remember to comment, share, subscribe, and just before you go, please head over to my mother's channel. Her name is Prestige J, where she comes live every Saturday with a topic relating to sex. Yeah, please head over there and subscribe, like, comment, and share. And let's grow the family. I want to get to 10,000 subscribers this year. It's possible. And it's only possible if you make it possible. So you gotta share this video with someone that you love, okay? Bring them onto the family. And let's grow, let's expand, and do all that good jazz. So, as I said, I am Julsztymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. Thank you for watching. God bless, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye.